Hi, it's Dani with Dani Homes Realty, and if you're a homeowner or looking to become one in the Burlington area, I'll be sharing a market update on the latest trends and figures for October 2023. Be sure to stay till the end of the video to see if there are any opportunities for you or your family in this market. Okay, starting off with benchmark pricing for a detached home in Burlington, the price was $1,322,000 for October, which is down 1.6 month over month, but up 3% year over year. Now notice I used benchmark pricing. So this is a price index used to track the price of a typical home in a given area over time, which helps smooth out those spikes and averages depending on the area. So for example, District 32 in Burlington, which is your Pinedale, Longmore neighborhood, had an average sale price of $996,000, while District 33 sale prices averaged over $2 million, and this is in the Roseland Shore Acres neighborhood. What's interesting is that a 3% rise in prices over last year, especially after the rate roller coaster that we had. Prices haven't fallen significantly and are technically up over this time last year. And again, depending on where you're looking in Burlington, this month of supply figure can drastically change. So for example, there are pockets of Burlington that have an average of 2 months of supply on the market, upwards of 8 months of supply, which would drastically change the inventory levels for those specific areas. Okay, next up we have list to sales price ratio. So this is when we look at what houses are listed at and what are they actually selling for. So the list to sale price ratio for October was 97.8%. So this has remained relatively unchanged on a month-to-month basis and a year-to-year basis, which means that for a full year now, we've really seen a strategy of pricing change. Gone are the days of severely underpricing and then having record-breaking over-asking sales prices. So right now, sellers are listing for their expectation, and we are seeing there is a little bit of negotiation room under that ask price. So now looking at the average days on market, which every seller always wants to know, how long is it going to take for my house to sell? Right now we are seeing 24 days on market, up 5.6% month over month and down 15.1% year over year. So we are trending for longer days on market. Right now I suggest to all sellers that 30 to 60 days should be the expected amount of time needed to be on market, unless you're priced super aggressively, in which case you should be sold before the average 24 days on market. So what do all these indicators mean? Well, our boots on the ground perspective, we are seeing a definite window of opportunity for home buyers who want to enter the market. Prices are remaining relatively flat. There is greater choice to choose from, and we have the ability to now write offers with conditions that protect and serve the interests of the buyer. So now it becomes more complicated though when you need to sell a house in order to make a move, which is why speaking to me about your situation that is unique to you, that's how I can really help you decide where the opportunities and potential risks currently stand. As always, I'm always here to offer you my straightforward and honest advice. So if that's something that would be helpful to you, you can reach out to me directly or visit my website linked below. Otherwise, feel free to check out my other social media platforms, and we will be back next month with the market update for November.